right, so there it is. It is very different, isn't it? It's, yeah, I don't know. But I do like the colors. Those cells are very, very cute. Some bright color in there. These cells are very pretty in color. Look at those. And these. I mean, those are very, very pretty colors. So there are parts of this that I actually do like. Let me just put this heater off now. Hold on. Okay. Yeah. I don't know if I love it, but I think it's okay. Yeah, I think it's okay. So I'm going to leave this now because third tries a charm, or whatever the saying is. I mean, it's not bad, is it? I don't know. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Is it still a disaster, or I don't know. I'm not sure. But leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. But I will be back tomorrow for another painting, and let's hope tomorrow is a better painting day. But you know what? It's fine. It's all part of the enjoyment of painting. Some of your paintings aren't going to turn out the way that you want them to. It's fine, because as long as you enjoy the process of creating the painting, it's still a winner. For me, it's really about doing what I enjoy, and I enjoy making these paintings. So even today, where 2 tries didn't work, it's fine. I still enjoy doing them, you know. So anyway, this is your art journey, and as long as you're enjoying yourself, then you're winning, okay? So I will be back tomorrow. As I said, I will be doing another painting, and join me for that. And yeah, at the end of this video, I'm actually going to put up a screenshot of the analytics of my channel. And it's very, very scary to see that very few of my actual subscribers are return watchers of my videos. You know, this is the reason why it is taking my channel so long to grow, is because YouTube is not pushing my videos out. I have videos that only have 10 views, you know, and then I have other videos that have 700 views. So it's all about the videos that YouTube pushes out. And if YouTube doesn't see that people are watching the whole video, or if YouTube sees that nobody is commenting on the video or nobody is liking the video, they just don't push it out. And that's it. That video is then just dead in the water, and nothing's ever going to happen from that. So I really do need you to leave me a comment, give the video a thumbs up. Even if you don't like the painting, it's fine. Tell me that. Say, not really my kind of a painting, but, you know, good for you. It's fine. As long as you're commenting on it, YouTube will see that. So I do need that interaction from all of you. So yeah, please come back and watch my videos. Oh, and another thing that YouTube really likes is if you watch one of my videos to the end, automatically one of my other videos will come up straight after. And if you watch that one too, YouTube loves that, because then you are watching more than one of my video in one go. And that really helps YouTube to push my videos further. So you know, half an hour out of your day, if you could just watch two, one after another, of my videos, that really, really also helps. Okay, enough of all that. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for another painting, everyone. Bye.